beautiful man kayo. So,
Yeah.
yung mga ganon, na parang nagawa niya ng paraan. And I'm just so thankful na ato siya.
Yeah, and also on food. It wasn't there was anything na problema sa food. It was just we never realized how important food is.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you
sa
didn't?
wedding.
That's
Ana sila nga, ana tong wedding coordinator. The people can forget the wedding, but they can't forget the quality of the food.
Wait,
Yeah.
but you pursued culinary arts, sir, right?
That was
Yeah.
And you didn't think of the food. You were just like,
the culinary arts
Yeah.
thing happened.
I
I was still
after
studying.
it's in the middle of
Yeah,
it.
but in the context of wedding events, I never realized how important that was. Like, i-emphasize, mahalag, malimtan ang decoration, malimtan ang wedding. Ang bride o groom, malimtan ang pagkaon. Dili dapat, you have to get that right.
Mao tong lami kay mo ang food dahil gutom kay may
Wala
guha.
mi kakaon sa food. Grabe kayo. Preparation na no?
But thank God for
Food alone.
food tasting because we've tasted everything even before the day of the wedding.
Oh, so guys, highlight on the food. So it's very, very important because nauuso na din ngayon ang DIY. Yeah, but of course, there is always a cost for every decision. So if you decide to do DIY, the cost will probably be your peace of mind because you're gonna have to, face everything head on. Kung unsa ang labad, gikan sa venue, sa suppliers, imo mo na tanan.
Dili ko ana.
We say that here, dele ko ana, dili ko ana. So that is why we actually look for competent suppliers with tenure and with output. Yun talaga po yun. So imagine that she had the luxury to actually be removed from the GCs, not having to think of anything kasi professional na mo salo na lang. They will be the ones to troubleshoot.
Yes, that was a very small gesture, pero it made the big difference. That's how we know nga, okay, this woman knows what she's doing. And kami on the client side, it's those gestures nga muraganig it builds that trust. They don't even have to say anything. Nga, ma'am, sali ka na mo. They don't. They show it through action that they are reliable. So kami, visually, what we see, automatic, and it's such a very, again, you said, professional kaya siya na gesture. And I think all wedding planners should practice that. Not to outright say, sali ka na mo. So, we have to show it through action.
I've already encountered dysregulated brides. I don't want to say brides, but dysregulated